Yeah.
This is Tina's Live today.
Yeah.
And today we have this thing. It's really weird.
This is
Burp Powder. You get like
okay.
burp comes out. So be careful. So yeah, today we're gonna try this out. Yeah, it's only in Japan. So don't try to go somewhere and buy this somewhere in America.
Yeah, because it might be made.
So let's start. It's like in these, you know, these packs.
Oh, pigeon! Okay, guys, I'm gonna try this.
Oh my god, no, really, I'm serious.
Hey guys, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give a like
Or subscribe.